So there is a box we're going to unbox. You can see lots of love in it, and they even had to use the color red as the main color. So yeah, just do this. Okay, it's a package. It's a package. Let me bring it nearer. That is how the package looks like. Inside is this cover. This shows everything, and at the back, yeah, it gives you the everything. There is a saucepan there. There's a saucepan. There is a 6.19 casserole, 20 by 11 casserole. There is a steamer. There is a 24 by 14 casserole. There is 26 by 16 casserole. Then there is a fry pan here. Then there is a mixing bowl, 2 knobs, 2 bakelite mats, 20 centimeter flying baskets, and 17 pieces of kitchen tools. So it's basically a lot, but let's get to see the real deal. Oof, it's heavy. This is the flying pan. My good God, it's heavy. Let me see what is inside. Wow, this is the lid, and guess what? It gets to show you at whatever you're cooking at. Man, it's heavy. So I'll put the lid back. This is the lid. This is a pan. I'm telling you, it's heavy. It says compulse induction bottom stainless steel, premier quality professional cookware. Nice. So that is a flying pan. I can't wait to cook with it. Chef. It's nice. I actually didn't have this. This is really nice. And a knife. And a mini knife. Nice. More knives added to me. Oh yeah, there are 3 knives. There are actually 4 knives, just exactly as they are shown. So there's these, and these 2, and the mini. So they're here spoons. Actually, very quality spoons. Stainless. Quality spoons. What is this? Oh, this is meant to be there. Yeah, for that. Let's see what is inside. Is it this? Is it there? Wow. So here is where you get to see the major things. Let me show you. Those are the casseroles, the 4 of them. Those are the casseroles, the 4 of them, and other things. So let's get just to unbox them each at a time. These are the bakelite nuts. Yeah, this should be a cover to the mixing. Oh, there's one pillar here. Now this must be the mixing bowl. This must be the mixing bowl, if I'm not wrong. And this is the cover, mixing of the baking balls, and that's the cover. So just put them in here. Here is the first cooking pot, or the casserole as they call it. So big. This is enough for the family. The good thing with this thing is it acts as a hot pot and a sprayer, so once you cook you don't need to empty the food in a hot pot to maintain the heat. Is this a serving spoon here. Is this serving spoon? And there is this frying spoon for cooking whatever you're cooking. This is a spatula or what? I can't remember the name. Yeah. So you remember the first pot we didn't see the lid? Here is the lid. Here comes the lid. Here comes the lid. Actually this is for the biggest, because that wasn't the biggest. This is the biggest here. This one is the biggest actually. That was the second. And there's the two knobs. The two knobs here. So this is the biggest. Let me show you what was inside. So this is the basket, the flying basket, and its holder. Where the flying basket, so you can hold it there like that. It's in there. Then the two knobs, these ones, and these help to hold the basket. So what you do after cooking, you don't want your food to go cold. Using these knobs, you come and insert there. Then your food will not go cold. Just that now it's not cooking, it can't hold. So you have got two of those. So in case you're using two pots, you sorted. So this is the lid for the first one. This is the lid for this one, the first one I've shown you. Then now this lid for the bigger one, the one I've shown you. Then there's a grater here. It's a grater here, and a kitchen scissor, very sharp. So with the size 3 here, this is a size 3 for the casserole. That is the lid for the size 3, and the lid for the size 4. No, yeah, here is a casserole here, size 3, and in the same there is steamer. This is a steamer. Let me show you. This is a steamer here. You can be able to steam whatever you want. Put here, then put wherever you want, then steam. These holes will help you steam. So that goes in here, and the lid here. And then there is what was the name of this? I'm forgetting. Yeah, there's this pan here, flying pan. Yeah, I've remembered it's a flying pan here. A bigger one with a handle, and the smallest. This is the smallest casserole. Wow, yeah, that is it. That is everything you need to see in this unboxing. It's on the package. The package goes for about 23,000, between 23 to 24. I can't remember exactly the amount he told me, but that's the much they're going for. About 23 to 24,000. Can't remember where it goes. There. And my knives there. And the peeler. So yeah, and there is it. Paper. So as I told you, they are 38. So as I told you, they're 38. There's this saucepan. There's the first casserole, second. There's the steamer here. Then the third and fourth casserole there. Then there is the frying pan there. Then there is a mixing bowl here. The two knobs. The two bakelite mats. The basket, and the other 17 pieces of the kitchenware. So basically that is it. That is the entire set. And this is worth, yeah, it's worth the amount. The amount, as I told you, is about between 20 to 25,000. So it's something you can consider buying and using it for your house. As in, it comes in handy because it has got everything you need. So thank you guys for watching. May God bless you and do good.